How to mention everyone in Telegram group chat. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. So first of all, open up your Telegram. Now tap on the search icon and search for mention bot. Now tap on it. Now tap on start. Now tap on add a bot to chat and select your group. Now tap on add bot as member. Now tap on add bot. Tap on your group name. Tap on the pencil icon. Now go to administrators. Now tap on add admin and select mention bot. Now tap on OK. Now go back to your group. Now type @all and tap on send. Now mention bot will mention everyone on the group. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to search the topic? Drop down a comment below.